In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on DocuSign and update your contact information, a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. This step-by-step process is going to be straightforward and ensures that your DocuSign profile is up to date with your current name. Whether you've just changed your name or want to correct a previous entry for accuracy, we'll walk you through exactly what you need to do so you're all set for any electronic signing tasks you may have. Let's start by visiting the DocuSign website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to DocuSign's official site. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials. Logging in is necessary for accessing your account settings, where you'll find all the options related to your profile updates. Once you've successfully logged in and landed on the home page, direct your attention to the top corner of the page where your profile icon is located. Clicking on this icon generally reveals a drop-down menu displaying several options. Look for the option that says Manage Profile. Clicking this option will lead you to a new page dedicated to your personal profile settings. On this new management page, you'll see various tabs and settings. Here you'll want to click on the Name tab. This is where you can make the necessary alterations to how your name appears on your DocuSign profile. Go ahead and click the Update option next to your current name. This will enable you to make changes. Now you're ready to type in the new name you wish to use in your DocuSign account. Be sure to double check the spelling and the proper order of your name. It's crucial to make sure everything is accurate here because this information will appear on all your future signatures and documents. After entering your new name, look for a Save button, typically found at the bottom or top of the settings page. Clicking Save will apply the changes, making sure your updated name is stored in DocuSign. Don't skip this step, as failing to save will result in your changes not being registered, and you will have to go through the process again. And that's it. Your name has now been successfully updated on DocuSign. Make sure to log out and log back in to verify the changes took effect. It's always a good practice to check if your updates are reflected correctly across any connected accounts or integrated platforms you might be using with DocuSign. I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your DocuSign profile effectively and keep it up to date with your most current information. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and hacks.